what I talk is not against the classics. My endeavor always has been to understand the classics and present it in a simple way. See, I have seen so many astrologers cheating the client, the consultant. Oh, your Saturn is debilitated. You're doomed. Your this planet is debilitated. I can tell you a debilitated planet is a must in this life. Without that, you cannot progress in your life. I have charts of the person who has 3 or 4 planets exalted but lived a miserable life. I myself have 2 debilitated planets, including my Lagna Lord. If Lagna Lord is debilitated, Shastra says it's gone. No, but the classics, our Shastra, they have given us wonderful sutras, dictums that without debilitation you cannot achieve success in life. In my Saral Jyotish Part 2, I have covered all 12 ascendants and all 7 planets for each ascendant. If they get debilitated, what result they give. All these debilitated planets have made very big dignitaries, big people. It was a big task, and with God's blessing, I could do it. You can take any debilitated planet for any lagna, and the result is clear. I have tried this on 84 charts. In 84 charts, we had about 117 debilitated planets. And mind you, what I have researched is the chart of big dignitaries, those who made some mark in the life. And 94% of them had the cancellation of debility. But that is not the issue. That is not my prime subject. Cancellation or no cancellation. Still, you have very good life if you have a debilitated planet. After, if you have some other conditions in your horoscope.